the best trading strategy does not have to be complex and difficult. So please understand me when I tell you that you don't need to use like 10 or 20 indicators. This is my latest winning trade. All right. I made $227. Today, I will make only losing trades. This is just a challenge and I just want to make it fun. This is, and my latest losing trade is this one. Yes. So I lost $100. So I decided today to lose, to make losing decisions only. So losing decisions only. All right. So here I believe that the market will go up. So I'm going to go, yeah, naturally, I'm going to go against the market and I will make losing decisions only. Hope this challenge will be easy. So just so let's open a low position because I believe that the market will go up and I'm risking $10 only, not too much. I'm just making this video to tell you that with a good trading strategy or the best trading strategy, you can also detect losing trades. So I just want to make it clear. Uh, this is this is the difference between a good trading strategy and a bad trading strategy. The bad trading strategy will not help you detect losing trades, and this way you will not be able to avoid this kind of trades. So with only losing trades, so I guess, yeah, I guess my prediction was right, and I'm going to lose. I'm not used to make this kind of decision, so I lost $10. Yeah. See, it was clear, a clear uptrend, but I decided that I'm going to go against it. Again, I will make only losing decisions. I will try to lose like $100 just to make to just to prove you that it's possible to detect losing trades also, not only winning trades but losing trades. So this one is going down. So here we will see a red candle. But as you can see, I opened a long position. This means that if my prediction is right, I'm going to lose again. So please understand, guys, that you need to develop your own strategy, or you can copy someone's strategy that already working, a working strategy. Great. So the second loss, right? The second loss. Yeah, so we already lost $20. Um, Remember, I hate losing. I hate losing. So let's open another long position up because the market will go down next, and I believe that we are going to lose again. Yeah, we are going to lose again. This one is clear. This one is 100%. So you need to have a good strategy, a good trading strategy to predict the winning trades and in the same time the losing trades. So you can avoid them, avoid the losing trades. And remember, binary options uh, is a little bit riskier than forex or trading cryptocurrencies because in order to trade binary options, you need to understand the nature of binary options. Yeah, third loss. So I lost. This one is also a loss. Yeah, this one was a little bit. This one was not clear, but the last one was a little bit simple. Yeah. So again, the market will go down. I opened a long position, and I guess that I'm going to lose again. Just remember, I'm making this video for sake uh, of or demonstrating to you that with a good trading strategy, it's possible to detect losing trades also. So as I was saying, before you trade binary options, you must understand the nature of binary options. So it's first, it's a or nothing outcome. So either you win or you lose. There is no making percentage and the small loss or small win. Either you win everything or you lose everything. Yeah, another loss. So let's detect. The next loss. So yeah, this one was beautiful. This one was clear and beautiful. The previous one was not that clear. Yeah, the next one, the previous, sorry, also this, yeah. But the last one was clear and beautiful. So I'm investing only $10 to lose. That's all I can afford to lose. That's why I'm not, and that I don't want to lose more. So as I was saying, binary options are a form of a derivative trading where you predict whether an asset will go up or down within a specified time frame, and you need to choose the right direction, and you need also to avoid the wrong direction, of course. Also, you need to trade binary options. You must understand it well. It's based on expiration times. Yeah, expiration times. Like in this case, I'm trading with 1 minute expiration time. But yeah, this way, this means that binary options have short-term expiration times, making them suitable for day trading and scalping. So if you have a scalping or day trading strategy, I believe that it will work well with your binary option trading. So those who are interested in learning my strategy, I invite you to take our course. The course is in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. Binarystrategycourse.com. So another loss, unfortunately, or fortunately, perhaps fortunately, because that's what I'm trying to do. So another loss. All right, so let's make it fast. The next one. So let me just continue what I was saying. I was talking about understanding the binary options before trading it. So uh, remember that binary option is based on small capital, big risk. So this is what you need to pay attention to: small capital, big risk. So binary options can allow traders to start with a small capital. You can start with $10. You can perhaps even with in some platforms you can start with $1, but the risk is higher since a wrong prediction results in a total loss of the investment amount for that trade. So if you invest in $10, you will lose $10 if your prediction is wrong. So yeah, another loss, another loss. Yes, this one. Yeah, this one was clear. I was, honestly I wasn't sure about it, but it was clear. All right, next one. So the next one, the market is going up, and I'm going down. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm trading with 1 minute time frame, and that's what binary option focuses on. So on short time frames. So like some trade with 5 minutes, so from 1 to 5 minute expiry. So some trade with 1 minute. I like to trade with 1 minute. Some trade with 5 minute, and that's okay. If you have a strategy based on 5 minute candlesticks and expiry time, that's okay. You can trade with it. So and yeah, yeah. The market will next go down. So I'm going up. Yeah, the market is going down. Yeah, so the binary option have fast market movements, or you need to look for fast market movement in order to trade binary options. You need to focus on high volatile assets, as you would be looking for like small price movement to capitalize on within short times frames. So I hope that makes sense. Like since you are trading with 1 minute expiration time, you need the volatile assets or high volatile assets, because scalping and day trading, especially when it comes to binary options, involve quick trades with very short expiration times. Yeah, another loss. I believe that the market will go up next. So I'm going down. So let's go down. I believe that this is the end of this downtrend. We will start to see some uptrends taking place. So I'm opening long short terms only next. So as I was saying, when you trade in binary options, I use Euro USD, but if you don't like Euro USD, you must choose a liquid and volatile assets. So currency currency pairs, uh, some of them are not volatile, and you need to avoid those. The most common assets for binary options scalping are forex pairs like Euro USD and Pound USD. Most of the time, I trade with Euro USD only, but yeah, you must test on demo account, test different assets, and you decide. So let's go down. Also, as I said, this is the end of this uptrend, and I believe, or this is the end of this downtrend, and I believe that I still have some trades to take down. All right. Yeah. Sometimes also you can trade binary options on stock indices and commodities, or even cryptocurrencies. Now it's available on different platforms like IQ Option and Codex. They allow you to trade with cryptocurrencies as binary options, since they have a high volatility. Yeah, I guess my prediction here is also right. Yeah, it's right. Obviously, um, I guess I still believe. Let's. I don't want to trade with another pair, but my favorite is USD, as you already know, as I already explained in my course. Let's open the last trade. Let's go down, and as you can see, we already made like almost 10, yeah, almost 10 wrong trades, and all of them are 100% losses. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I make these videos as a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option. I'm not telling you in any way that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here, because it's risky. Binary option is risky. You could lose your money if you don't have a good strategy, a good risk management plan. So please be careful. And I guess that this is the last loss. And yeah, beautiful. I lost, I guess, $100. Yeah, $100. Beautiful. So hope that you enjoyed, guys, and see you later.